Python dictionaries. In this chapter, let us discuss about dictionaries, access items, change items, add items, remove items, loop dictionaries, copy dictionaries, nested dictionaries, dictionary methods. Python dictionaries. This is the dictionary method code. See here. Dictionary. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable and does not allow duplicates. As of Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. In Python 3.6 and earlier, dictionaries are unordered. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. Create and print a dictionary. See, this is a method to create a dictionary inside curly brackets. The result is brand Tata model Nano year 2010. Dictionary items. Dictionary items are ordered, changeable and does not allow duplicates. Dictionaries items are present in key value pairs and can be referred to be using the key name. Print the brand value of the dictionary. See here, we are printing brand, this Tata result. Ordered or unordered. As of Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. In Python 3.6 and earlier, dictionaries are unordered. When we say the dictionaries are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. Unordered means that the item does not have a defined order. You cannot refer to an item by using an index. Changeable. Dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add or remove items after the dictionary has been created. Duplicates not allowed. Dictionaries cannot have two items with the same name. See here, brand model Nana year 2010 year 2020. See, only one is taken, brand Tata model Nano year 2020. Dictionary length. To determine how many items a dictionary has, use the length function. Print the number of items in the dictionary. See, there are 4, but only the duplicates not allowed. So, it is only showing 3 result. Dictionary items data types. The values in dictionary items can be of any data type. String, integer, Boolean and list data types. See here, Tata, false, electric, year. See here, print this dictionary. The result is this. Type function. From Python's perspective, dictionaries are defined as object with the data type dictionary. See here, to find which is a type of data, see here, by giving this method, the result is class dictionary. Accessing items. You can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside square brackets. Get the value of model key. See here, we are giving model. See, this Nano, result is Nano. There is also a method called get function that will give you the same result. Get function, the result is same. Get keys. The keys method will return a list of all the keys in the dictionary. See, get the list of the keys. See, we have given a list of keys. Dictionary, brand, model, year. Get keys. The list of the keys in a view of the dictionary, meaning that any change done to the dictionary will be reflected in the key lists. And a example, see here, and a new items to the original dictionary and see that the keys list gets updated as well. See, before the change, after the change. See, this is the before the change and this is the after the change. Get values. The values method will return a list of all the values in the dictionary. See the example, get the list of the values, brand, model, year, just a value method. See, the dictionary value is Tata Nano 2010. The list of the values is a view of the dictionary, meaning that any change done to the dictionary will be reflected in the values list. Make a change in the original dictionary and see that the values list gets updated as well. See here, before the change and after the change, it is updated. Add a new item to the original dictionary and see that the values list gets updated as well. See here, before the change and after the change, yes, it's updated. Get items. The items method will return each item in a dictionary as tuples in the list. Get a list of the keys value pairs. See here, by giving item method, see here, the result is the returned list is a view of the items of the dictionary, meaning that any changes done to the dictionary will be reflected in the items list. Make a change in the original dictionary and see that the items list gets updated as well. See, before the change, after the change. Check that any update. See the result, the year is updated. Add a new item to the original dictionary and see that the item lists get updated as well. See here, before the change and after the change. See here, yes, it's updated. Color red is updated. Check if key exists. To determine if a specified key is present in a dictionary, use the in keyword. Check if model is present in the dictionary. Yes, model is one of the keys in the dictionary. Yes, model is one of the keys in the dictionary. See, district dictionary, it's presented. Change dictionary items. Change values. You can change the values of specific item by referring to its key name. See here, brand, Tata, model, nano, year 20. We have given the key name. See here, okay. Update dictionary. The update method will update the dictionary with the items from the given argument. The argument must be a dictionary or an iterable object with key value pairs. Update the year of the car by using the update method. See here, just we are updating it. By using update method, we are updating the result. See the result here. Add dictionary items. Adding an item to the dictionary is done by using a new index key and assigning a value to it. See here, we have assigned a value here. Color red was assigned. Update dictionary. The update method will update the dictionary with the items from a given argument. If the item does not exist, the item will be added. The argument must be a dictionary or an iterable object with key value pairs. See here, it's updated. Add a color item to the dictionary by using the update method. It's updated. Remove dictionary items. Removing items. There are several methods to remove items from dictionary. The pop-up method removes the item with the specified key name. See, we have used pop-up method. Yes, it's removed. The pop item method removes the last inserted item. In version before 3.7, a random item is removed instead. See here, by using pop item, brand, Tata, model, nano, item was popped. The del keyword removes the item with a specified key name. See here, model, so nano is removed. The del keyword can also delete the dictionary completely. See, this will cause an error because the dictionary no longer exists. Already we have deleted before. The clear method empties the dictionary. If you use the clear method, the entire dictionary will be emptied. It's loop dictionaries. Loop through a dictionary. You can loop through a dictionary by using for loop. When looping through a dictionary, the return value are the keys of the dictionary, but there are methods to return the values as well. Print all key names in the dictionary one by one. See here, brand, model, year. They are totally printed. Print all values in the dictionary one by one. See, now we are printing values. Tata Nano 2010. You can also use the values method to return values of a dictionary. Now using values, now values was printed. Tata Nano 2010. You can use the keys method to return the keys of a dictionary. Yes, now the keys were presented. The result is brand model year. Loop through both keys and values by using the items method. See here, brand is equal to Tata, model Nano, year 20. If you write the code here, the result is like this. Copy dictionaries. Copy a dictionary. You cannot copy a dictionary simple by typing dictionary 2 is equal to dictionary 1, because dictionary 2 will only be a reference to dictionary 1, and change method in dictionary 1 will automatically also be made in dictionary 2. There are ways to make a copy. One way is to use the built-in dictionary method copy. Make a copy of dictionary with the copy method. See here, we are using copy method. They are totally all copied here. Another way to make a copy is to use the built-in function dict function. Make a copy of dictionary with the dictionary function. See here, dict, this dict is equal to, see, they are totally copied. Nested dictionaries. A dictionary can contain dictionaries. This is called nested dictionaries. Create a dictionary that contains 3 dictionaries. See, we have created 3 dictionaries, child 1, child 2, child 3. See, both. They are totally, the result is here. Or if you want to add 3 dictionaries into a new dictionary, create the 3 dictionaries, then create one dictionary that will contain the other 3 dictionaries. See here, see, we have created 3 dictionaries, then one dictionary that will contain the other 3 dictionaries. See here, like this. The result returns like this. Python dictionary methods. See, these are the methods. By using these methods, the result will be here. This is the code. Just practice these codes by changing methods like this. Clear method, result is this one. Copy method, method returns copy of specified dictionary. See here, the format key method returns a dictionary with a specified keys and specified values like this. Create dictionary with 3 keys with the value 0. See here, same example as above, but without specifying the value. See here, get method returns the value of the specified key like this. Model item. See, items method. The items method returns a view object. To view object contains the key value pairs of the dictionary as tuples in a list. The view object will reflect any change done to the dictionary. See, they return the dictionary's key value pairs like this. Keys method. The keys method returns a view object. The view object contains the keys of dictionary as a list. The view object will reflect any changes done to the dictionary. See here, returns the keys. Nothing is there. When an item is added in the dictionary, the view object also gets updated. It's updated. See here, like this. Pop-up method. The pop-up method removes the specified item from the dictionary. The values of the removed item is the return of value of the pop-up method. See, removes model from the dictionary. The model was removed here. The values of removed item is then value of the pop method. See here, nano. Pop item method. The pop item method removes the item that was last inserted into the dictionary in version before 3.7. The pop item methods remove a random item. See here, removes the last item from the dictionary. It's removed last item. The removed item is the return value of the pop method. This is the method. Set default method. The set default method returns the value of the item with the specified key. If the key does not exist, insert the keys with the specified values. See here, nano. Example, nano. Get the value of the color item. If the colors item does not exist, insert colors with the value white. See, white is inserted. Update method. The update method inserts the specified items to the dictionary. The specified items can be a dictionary or an iterable objects with the key value pairs. Insert an item to the dictionary. It's inserted the item. Values method. The values method inserts a view object. The view object contains the value of the dictionary as a list. See, this is the return of the value. when a value is changed in the dictionary, the view object also gets updated. It's updated. See here. Okay friends, this is the end of the part 15 dictionaries. In next video, let us learn about another topic, if, and else.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.